In our daily life, according to me, from all of the social media, we use the WhatsApp a lot of time. But here in the WhatsApp, there have a lot of hidden features, and these all are more informative for us, and that will give us a lot of information that we need. But here, what's that information? If you don't know, this video is for you guys. I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. Before just starting that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay, here to do this here, first of all I give you a recommendation for you that please guys update your WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. So here I just go to there, and from here I can just update my WhatsApp Messenger from here. Now I just go to there in the WhatsApp, and here it is guys, this is the WhatsApp is there. So from here I need to go to on the three dots from here, and now go to in the settings from here, and now go to in the data and storage usage, and from here now go to in the storage usage, and here it is guys, you will get all the information that from here you need. So here they will give you that how many space your friend occupied from you, that means how many space you and your friend occupied in both of your conversation. Now if you just go to on that, here you can see that here you have get 69 text messages, 0 contacts or location, that means in the contact you just call to them how many times. In the location there have no any location just shared, and here have you shared 22 photos on that conversation. Stickers you have shared 0 stickers, GIF zeros, and video call you have shared 0, audio message is 0, document all. And from here you can also free up those space from here just by clicking on that button free up space, and here after that all the chat will be vanished from here and free up some space from here. Here it is guys, this is the important things that you need sometime to get some analytics from your friends conversation from here. So here it is guys, according to me it may be more important for you, and sometimes it will be more easier for you guys to get some analytics from here. So I hope that it will be more useful things for you guys. If it's so, then I request you please like that video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet with you with some special video like that in another episode. So till the end, take care, have a nice day, goodbye.